What's going on, sea urchin?
What up?
There it is. So yeah, make sure to keep getting the meals in. I don't understand, that's probably your daily amount of trash that you throw out.
Yeah.
Fix that.
Give or take.
Surgery. It's literally diapers. I'm taking this too far.
It's literally diapers. Yeah, that much shit.
Look at that.
Oh, wee. Ew, wee.
Gee Willikers is what you were saying.
Fuck. Yeah.
Yeah, so I wanted to talk about back in, you remember my speech back in high school whenever I...
Paper airplane.
Yeah, I did an explanation of how to make a paper airplane. And I was like, you know, it's a nice day to go outside and come up here and throw it. And we actually did with the teacher.
It was very windy that day.
And then shortly after that, Mike did the, what is it called?
There's like fortune tellers things.
Yeah, but then right in the middle of it, he accidentally snotted on it, dude. He ruined it. It was soggy. He couldn't finish the job.
That's not what happened, but yeah, I fucked it up. And yeah, I stumbled on my words. And it was just horrible after that.
His face got red. I mean,
it was awful.
Let's just say that he didn't have to use the restroom anymore after that event.
That was all good after that. He literally snotted on it and it got too soggy to finish. Fuck.
Yo, look at that out there though.
Please, just let's go there sometime, asshole.
Oh, that looks spooky. Just wanted to show everybody what's in my hand. First, we have something that's a pretty smart idea, and then the second thing, obviously. And you never expect it to be this guy who owns it. Just pop a platypus with it.
What?
You just coming with my dog. Yeah, Mike's doing a little research on his pride and joy, and he says he's going to join politics to bring back the coal trains and smokestacks of industries and stuff.
The glory days.
Bring back the coal. I'll show you what I do. Alright, there you have it. What's the difference here?
In the last picture?
What's that? Why is there two?
That's steam. That's smoke.
Why is there two?
Two what?
Why is there two outputs?
You need something blow off the steam that builds up.
Yeah, if it's here, turn the interior light on.
No, because I can't fucking see otherwise.
Yo, so I'm saying that the truck didn't look as good until you figured out that it had a diesel engine in it.
Yeah.
Dude, why would you think it's?
No, because you would say, oh, that truck's ugly because you probably did go to 1500. Then once you realize, oh, wait a minute, oh, it's a diesel. That truck looks nice.
I mean, think about it. 73 gas, that's cool and all, but we have exceptions here. I mean, electric cars taking over everything. We gotta like the best for the best, and what's gonna last the longest. They're gonna stop making these eventually.
You're always saying, you know, picking up litter, no plastic, help the environment, and then you're just like, yeah, fucking delete my fucking Cummins, tune that bitch,
Yeah, keep that flabbergasted, greasy ass, basket ass, beer grease, beer belly butch. What was it? I think it was the Max Cork patty grease belly.
Patty the grease belly button debacle.
Yeah, keep that grease bag away from me. And like I said before, not all of us drive Prius riddance.
Yeah, neither do I.
Shifting gears, Hey!
Like that? How'd I do it?
Hey! So I just want to let you know that my satellite radio subscription ran out, and I don't have an antenna. So I had a pretty clear 97.3 the whole way here, the only station I can get, and then it kind of halfway in, it just kind of went blank, and then I get no AM radio either. Ooh. It was all static. So
should just been listening to this.
Keep it moving, Dan. Don't you listen to him, Dan. He's a devil, not a man. Does the burning sand with water.
That's even, bro. So you can just track your phone via...
No, dude. It's not the way to go. You need to get a receiver that has satellite radio built in at least. At least enable yourself, just in case you ever change your mind.
I'm not going to pay a subscription. I'm not going to use something. It's stupid. I'm already paying a subscription for Spotify and Apple Music.
Why?
Well, Apple Music, since I'm a student, $5 a month for Apple Music. I gotta deal with Spotify, so I get Hulu and Spotify for $5 a month. So I'm just like, why the hell not?
Yeah, I don't think so.
I just try to keep myself as far away as possible from TV and all that nonsense. Sound like Mademoiselle Stewart from high school saying, she's like, oh no, I didn't have cable TV because me and my cats don't enjoy that.
All you need is Rune subscription and satellite radio. Unfortunately, mine ran out. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's awful.
Yeah, don't have Rune, nor do I have satellite radio. No, that's a little loud.
Sing it. Sing it.
I don't know the lyrics, jackass.
People in the past would sing together. Sing it.
You fucking sing it, bitch.
There it is. It's the Duramax. He definitely turned the fuel up or something on that. So what do you think?
Yeah.
What were you saying?
Not that shop, but whatever used to be there is where I got my truck from. Fucking jack wagons.
Right where it used to be there?
Yeah. What is it called now? Again, it's
Hugo's.
no. Is that what it is? That's a pizza shop.
Then the place next to it?
Yeah, in the corner there.
So is that stack on it? Did they burn coal through that stack?
Yeah.
Really?
No.
What was that for
I
then?
don't fucking know. A stove?
Yo, I reviewed those old 50s cars. You can see them through there, all of them. The truck is still there. It's still there. Oh, what is it for? I think it was 7 or 9,000. I'm gonna buy it right now for $49.95. Oh, we almost got into a wreck. A car went right in front of us. That was scary stuff.
What?
Scary stuff.
Oh, yeah.
What?
I thought you said scary as clock or something.
Yeah. Our retailer bridge. Hey, how's it going? Just wanted to give you about $500 for your truck because of the dually rim.
Yeah.
Look at there's your Ford, dude. There it is. Still getting work on it. We're still waiting for it to come back. Taking forever at the shop. Oh my goodness. How long has the truck been gone there?
Since October.
Oh my gosh. They must really be cranking it out.
Yeah.
2 stacks and the Cummins back there. Oh my goodness. See, if that was your barn, you wouldn't appreciate this at all.
Nope.
Way over this way. That's what I'm saying, dude. We could be on there right now. Oh, look at those out there. See, I told you. But you had to revert the negligence.
Yeah.
Yeah, thinking about debadging my kayaks. What do you think?
Alright, let me know when it's coming up.
What do you think?
How soon is it coming up?
Point 2.
Is it this intersection?
What do you think of those? Debadging kayaks.
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. Finally made it to Lake Tahoe, California. Dude, that's awesome. Gosh, what the hell?
What?
Yo, that's so close to the edge. Holy shit, I didn't notice that.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, it's fucking scary.
There's a road on the other side of it.
It's like just a straight drop off.
Oh my god. Yo, what the we're off-roading. Oh.
Dude, fuck this.
Holy shit.
I'm about to get stuck.
We'll push you. Yes. Yes, dude. Now you're like, oh, I don't need to buy a truck now.
Yeah. The car behind me saw that and he's like, no way.
What is that noise?
I don't know.
Off-roading the Camry right now, dude. Oh my gosh.
This is great fucking content.
I can't believe you just did this.
Where the hell are we even at? Like, where does this go?
Here, let me get out. Let me get out. Oh my god. Just off-roaded the Cam. Alright, just making it to the stop sign right now. Middle of nowhere. Solar panels for finally made it to the view. Life changing for Mike. Been here a couple times, guys, remember? And then remember, what you see right here, the eagle population plummeted in the 1970s, and then they only, in 1980, only spotted 3 bald eagle nests in PA. But now, they found 207, pretty recent, like 10 years ago.
2017. 10 years ago, yeah.
Yeah, I recently returned my pencil sharpener that I bought, like, I don't even know, almost a year ago. I didn't even have a receipt.
What the hell?
Yeah, finally brought his old Ben Franklin bifocals.
Yeah, I can finally see it for the first time in 90 years. Is that Gino on the river?
It is.
Alright. Your home phone.
Hello, operator. Hello, yes. I was wondering if you sell the lift kits for the bicycles. Thank you.
You're literally a faggot.
Off-roading the Jeep. How's it going? Holy shit. Yeah. This is the way to get here, dude.
I'm never going that way again if I'm driving.
Come on.
Oh, I just scraped.
It's good.
I guarantee if you were driving out and we were in the truck, I'd say, yo, take that way, you'd say, oh, dude, don't want to fuck up the vehicle.